here's how to perform a single leg dumbbell RDL. All right, so your starting position for the single leg dumbbell RDL, I like to go with all my weight on the working leg. My opposite side leg, I'm just gonna pretty much have a tap of my toe for that one. And then I'm gonna slightly bend the knee of the working leg. The dumbbells, you want them to hang out to the side. I don't really like them out in front like this because it helps me stay centered if I have them out to the side. So again, slight bend in the knee. I'm just having most of my weight on my working leg and my foot is completely loaded. Not my heel, not the ball of my foot, but my entire foot is completely loaded, okay? And then from here, all I'm gonna do is bend at the waist, keeping my chest tall the whole time. And then from this position, I'm gonna squeeze the glute to come back up and finish at the top, not squeezing or arching the lower back, okay? Now, I like to always cue to point your toe back as you go down instead of just letting the leg hang down here because it helps with more balance. Also, you wanna make sure that your hips, when you're in this position, are not coming out like this, and you're able to keep your hips pretty much square with the ground as you go down into that downward position here. If you can't keep your hips square to the ground, you can grab something to balance and use a dumbbell in the opposite side hand, so that way you can work that position, or you can just use lighter weight. But you wanna make sure that you keep them as square as possible. That's gonna get the most amount of activation in that posterior aspect that you are trying to work in the first place. And that's how you perform a single leg dumbbell RDL. See you in the next video.